Silver created new near-term highs, new decade high price last week. We have seen it hitting 39.20 levels here, while at the same time it has erased much of the gains and hit the lows at 37.50 before closing the week at 38.20 levels. Yes, still closing the week almost at the levels at which we have seen it closing the last week here. Now, can we say that this is the beginning of a reversal here in silver prices? Are we looking at the prices to have peaked? Can we expect a bearish move ahead in the coming week? Or this was just a swing and there is lot much of bullishness ahead where we should aim for $40? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates on silver, first with the Asia session and next before the US session, before the major data releases before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so do watch till the end. Now, on the daily charts, what has happened here? See, look at the trace the movement for the last multiple weeks. You can find out this was a greater bull run. It has erased the gains in just few sessions, moving towards $28 levels. Then a quick pullback, sideways movement. Then a quick pullback, sideways movement. Then again, this could be the beginning of the next round of rise here. See this? And it has already scaled towards the highs. Now the highs here are placed well above $40 level. But what has happened since this breakout? See, first of all, it has created now a very good base at 36 and $35 zone, and since then it has given a breakout. But notice the move here, rise, retracement. Every rise is followed with a retracement, and again this was the bigger rise. It has tried to retrace, but see, this is formed again a good support at 37.50 and trying to reverse. But notice the move here. See, it has shown a good pullback. This was the reversal. After the drop, this is the retracement. Now this candle, because see, despite it is staying in the green, we have seen it closing at the bottom. So now it is pretty important how the next candle starts with. If you see now silver trading below 37.80, 37.70 in the coming first trading session, you can say this is a reversal, because then what will happen, it is going to breach 37.50 and then we can see it moving towards 37.20, 37. Now see, these are very nearby supports. Only and only if you see now silver trading below 37, 37.20 zone, we can expect further bearishness here. What will happen then? Because once it breaches this support zone, then this could be the beginning of the next move towards 36 and $35 zone. But right now it is not showing any such weakness. It is still staying bullish here. Look at the stock. See, this has dropped here right from the overbought zone looking downwards. But when you see the MACD, see, since the crossover after this good bull run, it is consolidated, it has retraced here, it has formed a good bottom, now trying to bounce back. It is possible that it can create a double top, and if it is tries to hit the double top levels, remember it is going to definitely move towards 40 and in fact beyond $40 level. Now 40 is a critical milestone for silver to break beyond, as breaking these levels again the pullback is going to remain difficult. It might stay sideways since hitting 40 we can see plus minus $2 zone, and that is why let's see if it tries to move towards this zone. It is definitely something you should watch out for, because see, the coming week if it gives you a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. Right now I'm not looking forward to that. See, the RSI very near to the top here. Coming to 4-hour charts, look at 4-hour. What's been happening here? 37.50, the first support it is created after the rise, and now see, this is almost a sideways box movement, and this is also suggestive of this, that it is going to trade in this flag formation. Where are the lows? The lows are aiming at 37, and hence coming week first trading session is going to be important. Also notice this is the box it has to come out of, means it has to now trade below 38 first. Below 38 is stay with the cells 37.80, 37.70, 37.50, and then 37, 37.20, 37 till 37. Very good support levels are existent here. The stochastic has dropped here. Look at MACD. After the quick drop, it is now again almost staying flat and willing to cross over for sell again. RSI looking downwards. Now coming to the important chart, the weekly chart. Now on the weekly charts, it is important to note the movement in silver. See, these are decade high levels, and when you look at the exchange rates and if you track the prices across other countries, not in US, not in USD terms, you will find it is at a record price levels. Yes, silver is at record price levels and many geographies here. Now see what's happening here. If you look at the move, just let me give you a broader picture here. On the weekly charts, see these were the highs here post COVID, then the retracement. Now this is the second leg of rise here. And see, where is the bottom here? The bottom is right here at $18 levels. Since 18, we have now seen it more than double here. And when you look at this move, see the after the rise, it is consolidated here. This was the last base. The last base was created at around 22. And since the based at 2020 $22 levels, it is delivered first rise, then again this consolidation, and now again on a breakout journey. It is still looking upwards and it is good for another round of rally here for the next few weeks. Yes, appears the pullback is going to be difficult, but I think somewhere the bulls has to exhaust. Now see this 35 was the top here which it has to breach. Now 35 has become the support, so this was the resistance. Now this has become a greater support. Look at this, 4 to 5 candles struggle to break below 35, and now this is the zone which silver has to break in order to confirm bearishness here, and then 32 below which only you can say now this is a reversal here. Now see the last few candles, rise, consolidation, another round of rise. Higher highs are seen, but the bullishness is getting diminished as well. Though the coming candle will decide the direction it wants to take. See, it is still delivered higher highs, means it can still move towards the top, and this could be the beginning of another round of rise here in silver prices. And hence, in the coming week, if you see silver trading beyond 38.50, yes, if you see it staying beyond 38.50, 38.60, stay bullish. We are looking at 39, 39.20, and then $40 levels here. Yes, the next targets are going to be towards $40 levels directly. The next thing here is, see, the bullishness has got diminished. Look at this, one single candle, couple of bullish candles, higher lows are seen, and once it breaches past the lows of the preceding candle and the lows of this candle, means $37 zone, once it trades below this, you can say there could be a further pullback in the next few weeks, which is going to take it towards 35 or in fact lower levels. Though right now it appears difficult, it appears on a bullish journey. Look at the moving averages, these are also now looking upwards on an exponential move here. Let's wait for the next move. The stochastic definitely is overbought here. And when you see the MACD, look at the MACD trading with divergence after bottoming here, looking upwards, it is already at almost a double top levels, and these are extremes as well. However, it is not yet showing signs of exhaustion. The RSI is also sitting at the top here. The most important one, the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, it is important to note, look at the swings here, the base created at 28, look at the move. After 3 green candles, 3 red candles, couple of green, couple of red, couple of green, couple of pullback, and now this is the breakout here. The base created at 28 since then, but notice first rise and retracement, second rise and retracement, this is the third rise. It is possible that it can show you retracement here, but right now see this is aggressively bullish, and after couple of consolidation months, this is a breakout journey. Now this is possible that it can show you complete swing here moving all the way lower, but appears very difficult. Yes, it is going to deliver a greener candle, it is going to stay in green, which means for the next few sessions till the end of the month, we are not going to see silver trading below 36 or $35 zone, because breaking below which you can say this is the beginning of a reversal here. When you see the stochastic, this is back to overbought levels. The MACD, if you look at MACD, are at extremes here, never seen before levels, and hence the reversal has to begin soon. Let's wait for this. And the RSI is at top. So now considering this, see, we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. The next batch starts tomorrow. Yes, do not miss this opportunity, because the next to next batch is going to be only after more than a month, and hence be a part of the current one. Do not miss the profits for a month. Join it today. Reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And yes, if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me for your queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first let's talk about the levels to buy. I'll only recommend you to buy if you see silver trading beyond 3840, 3860 zone. This is the most critical number. It has to break out. Beyond this, expect 39, 3920 as the first target zone. After this, do not think of selling silver because beyond this, we are looking at $40 levels for silver here. 40 is a must. Remember, staying beyond 39, 3920, 40 is a must. This is the most critical number which silver would like to breach. This is a psychological number as well. And hence you have to watch this closely. A breakout here should invite more bulls, and beyond 40 stay bullish for 40, 40, 40, 75 and 41, 25. A break beyond this is a confirmation of 42. Remember, the up move should be difficult and sticky. It is possible that it can do it in just couple of sessions. First, it shows a big move in a one week or 1 month, and then try to consolidate, then again give a breakout. So this is how it might trade, and thus the first trading session in the coming week is going to be pretty important. Now on the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 3780 because below this 3750 is a must, and below 3750, 3720, 37 is the level we would love silver to break. Once it trades below 37, we can expect more bearishness because below 37 is where there could be a serious pullback here towards 3650, 36 and then $35 zone. Any move below 35 is a clear sign of the bearishness for the next few weeks, where we are looking at 34 and 32. See, these levels appear not to be a distant dream. A few weeks back we were trading at 30, we were trading at 28, we have seen 32, 34 offering it a good resistance. These are not too far levels, and it might not take much of the time for silver to cover this distance. Hence, take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.